Oh, how cute. The lovers. We have the lovers, Pisces. And I'm not gonna lie, I have been feeling like love is just around the river bend for me, or something. Feels like my beloved is drawing ever closer to me, because we're already together in spirit. I spend a lot of time with my beloved already. It's like I'm already, that's another reason why I'm just not interested in dating, I guess, is because I already feel like I'm a taken woman. I mean, that's just how it feels. I feel like I know who I love even though I don't know who they are yet, but I know they're around me often, and when they are, I feel consumed with love and passion and peace and just joy. I feel like a kid again. And I don't know who you are, but I can't wait to meet you. Alright. Should I pull another card for the collective? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Why not? Alright, one last card, please, for the collective. One last message for the collective, please. For this full moon in Taurus. Oh. 7 of Wands. Yep, it's time to come out of the woods, guys. Alright, as always, I love your gut. I love you guys and your faces. I will talk to you later. Bye.